All right, this is the 2017 GMC Acadia. Can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up? Today I'm going to show you how I engage and disengage the parking brake. So I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? All right, I'm going to look to the left-hand side, and there is this button right here. I'm going to press that, and when I press that, the parking brake is in park. Now, note that I am in the car, and the car is already parked. Now, I'm applying the parking brake. Now, as you can see on the dashboard right here, on the instrument panel, it says park right here. All right, now, if I want to disengage the parking brake or release it, all right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here, I'm gonna press this again, and it's telling me that I need to step on the brake to release the parking brake, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow those instructions, all right? I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. Down here, you can see my foot's on the brake, and then I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna press this, and voila. Park brake is released right here, okay? That's how you engage and disengage the parking brake, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to read your owner's manual before you operate your vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching.